Hi everyone, welcome to Bitcoingem channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to look into one altcoin that is a small cap, micro cap under $15 million market cap and which has huge upside in the upcoming crypto bull market. So I hope you find today's video valuable. If you're joining me for the first time, do subscribe to the channel and keep coming back for more videos. So in today's video, we are going to look into lossless. Now, what is lossless? It's basically a security protocol restoring trust in Web3 security. Lossless incorporates a new layer of blockchain transaction security, protecting selected projects in their community from malicious exploits and the associated financial loss. So it's basically a project that aims to protect your on-chain infrastructure. So adding layers of protection to your on-chain infrastructure is easy with lossless protocol and AGIS. So AGIS is their new AI solution or new product, and they provide customizable end-to-end solution for exploit monitoring, prevention, and mitigation. So this is their new product AGIS, which is a proactive Web3 security. It provides leading threat monitoring and smart contract defense capabilities designed to prevent exploits before they happen. So this new product for them, it's designed in a way that it can predict threats that are about to happen and it can defend these smart contracts before such exploits happen. So I would not go much into technical detail. It is not that difficult to understand. Visit their website and you will come to know what their product is. They are active already. They have a lot of partners and it's entirely an ecosystem where a lot of people are partnering, a lot of protocols are partnering. You can see over here, their partners. These are all their partners and these are all their clients. So a lot of projects, Web3 projects are partnering with lossless and they need to because most important most important component of a financial or whatever Web3 projects or ecosystem that we want to develop is to protect it from exploits and protect it from scams. And this is where lossless comes in picture. So if you think that crypto tomorrow will be a $5-10 trillion economy, then how important is it to safeguard all the protocols? And this is where lossless is one of the answers. And hence, I think this is a very needed project and they are a good team building throughout the bear market. So go and have a look into the project and see if you find it interesting. Visit their website. Very important recent activity which where they helped acquired hack. You can see I was just going through their Twitter and just give me a second. Yeah. So this is of December 14, 2 weeks ago. Lossless helped recover $800K in user funds after Vulcan Forge exploit attack. So you see, they help in recovering funds, and this is much needed. I'm sure anybody who's been in crypto, they know how we protocols are easy to exploit at times, and they get hacked, and a lot of people lose millions of dollars. So a project like Lossless is much needed, and if you want to create a safer cryptos ecosystem, then I think such projects need to be backed. If you look at the market cap now, why am I sharing this with you? I always share something when I feel it is undervalued and my followers can gain out of such projects. So you can see the market cap today is just 15 million and its fully diluted market cap is also 25 million. So there are total max 100 million lossless and almost 61 million lossless tokens are already in circulation. So a $15 million market cap and a $25 million fully diluted market cap and the kind of project that it is, and I think this is extremely undervalued in my opinion. I had also tweeted about lossless around I guess 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago, and since then the price has gone up by 30%. But if you look at the chart, then it is still in this accumulation range. Let me. You can see it's still in this macro accumulation range, and I like to buy projects which are in the macro accumulation. And whenever we go to that euphoric stage of a bull market, that's where you get your rewards. So whether it does something like this or whether it breaks out of this resistance at around 32 cents and it resumes the parabolic moves right away, it is anybody's guess. But uh, so my reason of sharing is not to give you short-term targets on such projects. I mean, investing in a micro cap for just 50-100% gains makes no sense. My point is to show you that it is a macro accumulation range, and whenever we see any euphoric altcoin market, then something like this can happen to a project. Its previous all-time high was at around $3, and if it can, go and break and go to 6, 7, 8, $10, you can imagine the upside because it's only at 25 cents right now. And please understand this, that nothing I say is a financial advice. I can be wrong, and in spite of being a good project, it might not take off. So you understand the risk. There is always a risk when you invest in any small cap altcoin, and that's why it's rewarding. If that risk pays off, then you earn huge returns on your investment. So make sure you invest the amount of money that you are comfortable investing in such a low cap gem. I do hold a bag of lossless, and I am willing to ride it in the upcoming bull market if we get one. So I hope you find today's video valuable. Do give like and come back for new videos. Do comment down if you want me to look into any project. Take care everyone. Bye bye.